Sien julle hier lê 2 kamersleutels by my. En dit is nie omdat hier 2 mense woon nie. Dit is omdat Mogodi Lodge in Graskop se mense vir my ontsettend goed is. Ek is so pas opgradeer na 'n beter chalet toe as die een waar ek op die oomblik is. En hulle doen dit vir my teen 'n spesiale tarief. So ek wil julle baie mooi vra, kom ondersteun asseblief vir Mogodi Lodge hier in Graskop. Julle kan vra vir Gareth as julle 'n bespreking hier doen en julle is so welkom om my naam te gebruik as 'n verwysing. Kan julle sien? Hier's nog 'n getuienis. Ek is so pas opgradeer na 'n beter fasiliteit toe as waar ek was. Kyk net hierso. Teen 'n spesiale tarief word dit vir my aangebied deur Mogodi Lodge in Graskop. Ek kom hier in hierdie lieflike plek ingestap. Dis skoon, baie skoon, dis netjies. Dit is higienies. Pragtige kaste. En hier is 'n klein kitchenette. En weet julle wat? Die ligreëling is tot van my aangeskakel want dit is baie koud hierso. En die kamer is heerlik. I have another testimony. I was just upgraded to a better facility and I'm booked in here by Mogodi Lodge in Graskop. Wonderful service. When I stepped inside my chalet, even the aircon was switched on to heat up my room because it's extremely cold here and rainy. Thank you so much to Gareth for excellent service here at Mogodi Lodge in Graskop. Please guys, support the business. I really have excellent service from. I'm booked in here at Mogodi Lodge at Graskop. I just want to extend my heartfelt thanks to Gareth and the rest of the management. This morning I needed a facility for a webinar for one of my clients. I approached Gareth and he just availed their main office with Wi-Fi in order to accommodate me to host this webinar. Thank you so much from my heart, Gareth, for your wonderful service here at Mogodi Lodge. You will definitely see me again. God bless you guys. Estikotse.